Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. We begin with a developing story. The JN Financial Group appears to be dropping its insurance arm, JN General Insurance. In a joint press release to the media on Wednesday, the company says it is in the advanced stages of an agreement concerning the transfer of ownership of JNGI to General Insurer BCIC. BCIC is a member of the VM Group. Now, the release says the two companies have agreed on the terms of the deal and have informed their employees. Now, it's not clear the value of the transaction. TVJ News understands that once fully approved, JNGI customers will be transferred to BCIC. The companies say the acquisition is subject to regulatory approval, which they expect to receive and finalize in the coming weeks. Our news center has also been informed that layoffs are looming, with some employees affiliated with JNGI already being told their job is on the line. While neither company confirmed this, it is not clear how many employees, if any, are impacted. The companies say business continues as normal at all JNGI locations. General Insurance says it remains financially strong. To other news now, in a move to reshape the region's maritime workforce, the Caribbean Maritime University, CMU, is expanding. As Sandy Williams reports, the move is expected to address the growing demand for trained professionals in the maritime industry.
As shipping lanes become busier and oceans play a greater role in regional and global trade, the need for a robust labor force capable of navigating a complex landscape has become more critical. It's why the Caribbean Maritime University, CMU, is promising to be a powerhouse for producing the next generation of maritime experts through the help of a satellite campus it will open in Suriname. Dr. Andrew Spencer is head of CMU.
This is expansion not just for the CMU, but it's also expansion for Suriname. We've been told by the government of Suriname that there's a need for them to have STCW courses, which really are just the certification courses from the International Maritime Organization. And being the only international maritime organization, whitelisted institution in the region, we were their natural partners. They're looking forward to having mariners. They're looking forward to having individuals in a number of areas serving.
The move, he believes, will position the labor force to take advantage of Suriname's growing oil industry.
They have been focusing a lot on onshore oil exploration. They're now moving to offshore oil exploration. The CMU has always had programs in liquefied petroleum operations, in chemical tanker operations. We are the perfect fit.
Assistant Manager at the Foundation of Logistics Training in Suriname, Lloyd Gamerks, believes the collaboration is a game changer. He explains that the Suriname Maritime Institute is not accredited by the International Maritime Organization, IMO, and so presently certificates and diplomas from the institution is not internationally recognized.
So with the collaboration with CMU, we have the opportunity to have these students be provided with diplomas which are accredited, and that will again give them the opportunity to serve on seagoing vessels.
Meanwhile, Education Minister Favour Williams is encouraging Jamaican students to consider careers in the maritime industry.
It is one that is going to be enduring on the Jamaican educational landscape for many years to come. It has already done some 44 years. So that speaks to its resilience, it speaks to its relevance. And so again, I would encourage any one of our young people, as you consider what your next step should be, I want you to look at and say yes to CMU.
Sandy Williams, TVJ News.
To our gas prices now, they are going up effective midnight, so you may want to head to the pumps after primetime news. Here's what those increases will look like. Each liter of 87 and 90 gasoline will sell for 25 cents more. Diesel will go up by $1.07, while $1.20 will be added to each liter of ultra-low sulfur diesel. 25 cents will be added to each liter of kerosene. 43 cents will go on to each liter of propane, each volume of propane or butane will go up by 25 cents. Each gas station will make these adjustments to their prices, which include the ex-refinery rate offered by Petrojam and their own markups. Local gas prices are influenced by the U.S. Gulf reference price. To some more company news now. The National Commercial Bank, NCB Jamaica, says its online services have been restored. Customers at the largest commercial bank in the country had difficulties accessing the company's online banking platform up to this afternoon. Its mobile application was also down for both business and personal banking clients. NCBJ has not shared what caused the outage, but the company says measures are being put in place to reduce the likelihood of a reoccurrence. The glitch left many Jamaicans concerned as a large percentage of persons are paid on the 25th. To the markets now, the Jamaican dollar lost 17 cents compared to the U.S. currency at the close of trading on Wednesday. Banks and cambios are selling the American dollar for an average $158.72. The Canadian is going for $117.89. $210.66 is the average value of the pound, while the euro is going for $178.53. The JSE main index lost 693 points today, while the junior market index increased by 8 points. Leading the winners were Paramount Trading Jamaica, Main Event Entertainment Group, MFS Capital Partners, Cargo Handlers, and JMMB Group 8.5% US dollar preference shares. The 50 losers included KLE Group, JMMB Group 5.75% preference shares, JMMB Group 7.15% shares, Jetcon Corporation, and Regency Petroleum. 17 stocks closed the session selling at the same price they started trading. And that's the business day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.